Hi, this is Mifang. Welcome back to Do It By Yourself Termite Control video series. In this video, I will introduce my Kindle book, Termite Control for Homeowners. This is the Kindle book. The title is Termite Control for Homeowners. To find the book, you can search Amazon by Kindle Termite Control. If you are a homeowner, you will likely be concerned with termites. First, you will wonder whether termites are living in your yard. Termites always try to hide from us. Therefore, not seeing termites does not mean they are not there. Secondly, if termites are living in your yard, you will want to know how to get rid of them. Finally, you will want to know whether you need to contract professionals every year. This book will help you by telling you a large amount of termite knowledge. It is really important for homeowners to know this termite knowledge. Some houses get severe termite damage because the owners cannot pick up plenty of early signs. This book will also introduce a new method for termite control. The new method can determine very accurately whether termites are living in your yard. It is more accurate than any other existing methods. If termites don't live in your yard, this method can also eliminate all colonies more quickly and more completely than any other existing method. With all this knowledge and the new method, you should have a more educated decision for when you need to contract professionals. The first half of the book covers a large amount of termite knowledge. In the book, I covered the topics listed here. Many homeowners don't have much termite knowledge and don't know whether termites are living in their yard or whether termites have started to damage the house. So they might contract professionals every year, or on the contrary, they may allow termites to make serious damage to the house. Both of the ways are not the best ones. The second half of the book covers our new termite baiting method. Our new method is based on my US patent. We are offering free license to homeowners for home usage and to schools and institutions for nonprofit research. This is a termite baiting method for controlling subterranean termites, similar as the other available termite baiting devices on the market, but the result is much better. The book detailed how to apply the new method. The book also covered the common knowledge of termite baiting, including 3 types of poison that can be used in termite bait, and 5 commonly used termite baiting devices today. I discussed the common limitations of the existing devices. Those limitations include those. First, it is difficult for termites to find the devices. Secondly, the poison does not kill grown-up termites. Also, termites often abandon the stations. The effectiveness and the reliability are then greatly reduced. Using our new method, you will not need to buy devices from the market. The main reason is that the devices available on the market are not as good. Of course, it will also save money for you. Using our method, you will create termite detection stations using plastic sheets and cardboards on site. If termites are found in any of the stations, you will need to buy termite foam from Amazon to spray on the cardboards. Termites will then slowly carry the poison to the nest to eliminate the whole colony. Our goal is to eliminate all the termite colonies in your yard in 3 months. The book also compared the new method with the existing devices, show you how the new method can overcome the limitations of the existing devices, and answered the following questions. Why our method can attract termites easily? Why our method can kill termite colonies completely? Why termites do not abandon our stations? Why our method can detect termites more accurately? Then the effectiveness and the reliability are greatly improved. Before the end, I will play a brief video to show you how this method can be easily applied. Basically, we use plastic sheets and cardboards to create 10 or more termite detection stations around a house. If a station is located in the middle of a lawn, you need to dig down about 4 inches deep, so that the lawn turf will continue to grow when covering back. Then, in every 2 to 4 weeks, open the stations to check for any termite activities, for a total about 3 months. If termites are found in one or more stations, go to Amazon to buy a container of chemical called termitoform and spray on the cardboards in the stations with termite activities. Termites will then carry the poison slowly to their nest to poison the entire colony, including the queen. Do not use chemical on the stations without termite activities. This is the end of this video. Please try to find other related videos in this series. Thank you.